That's this is a finger licking very favorite and fast moving burger. That's called a veggie burger. So sometimes I dispense about some 15 to 20 orders in a go. So this is how I do it. I smear the burger buns with some generous amount of butter. I toast them up. Line them up with some lettuce, tomato, onion, cucumber, cheese, and it's yummy, man. This is how I'm going to be assembling my burger. These burgers, which have been smeared with some butter, which will go inside the oven. Then it will be lined up with some lettuce, cucumber, tomatoes, some onions, one of my favorite Kraft cheese, peri mayo, mayonnaise, and this is the patty which is ready to go, which has been thawed and which will be now sealed on this hot plate, and then it will be assembled on this line and then packed and ready to eat. So this is the patty which is now been shallow fried, and then it will be finished in the oven. As it need to be piping hot. बोलना बेटा. See? See the color coming golden amber. So today we have 45 of them.
45. Where? In that big box.
Yep.
What is it? I don't know. I'm gonna put this patty in the burger. I've eaten this burger before. It's a vegetarian burger. It's pretty good. I mean, I eat it almost all the time. Not all the time. Sometimes when we don't want to make anything, we just take a patty out and then we shallow fry it, we put it in the oven, we put it on the bun with all the vegetables, and we eat it. And then I'm gonna put all this in the burger. There's cheese, there's what is it? Peri-peri, mayonnaise, iceberg, onion,
Tomatoes.
I forgot.
And here's the buns, which will be ready finished. So here I'll seal some 10 of them. So Then these will go in a preheated oven, which is at 180 for another 7 minutes, so that they are being cooked till the core. This is how it's working. Your burger patty is heating up, your burger buns are inside, so they become hot, and then I'm just going to be assembling them, taking them out, and your veggie burger will be ready.
Okay, so the patties are good. They've been in the oven for 1 to 5 minutes. My dad's taking out the buns, which you guys probably can't see. Now they're there. That's the bottom. My dad builds the burger up pretty cool. I mean, not cool. He builds it only in one way. So I'm guessing he probably just puts in, I don't know, maybe he has an order. Yeah, I think he does, but I do not know it. I'm just thinking that it's from tomatoes, onions, then some cucumbers, iceberg, salt. No, that's definitely not it. The buns are like toasted, they're pretty crispy, they're yummy, even yummier than the whole burger. So, okay, so this is how he builds it. Some mayonnaise. Yeah, on all of them, obviously. And in some kind of cool way, I'll just try this with tacos when he made it. Like, I tried it so many times, but then I asked my when I couldn't do it, then I asked him and he didn't like it.
Here goes the lettuce. Good amount of it, because this is a veggie burger, so all the veggies, you should have a good amount of it. Why I prefer putting iceberg lettuce? Because it's crispy and crunchy, and it gives you a very refreshing feeling.
But how does it give you a refreshing
That's
feeling?
because this is very crunchy. Some salt. Stop. Here
Now
goes.
he's putting some tomatoes, then I think onion.
Yep.
I just guessed that.
So I had pre-cut all these, so which will help me to do it very fast.
But then you don't have to cut it. And then you won't really have to cut it, that's all. And it'll be fast. You just have to place them. Boom, boom. And then the bread is done.
So if your prep is already ready, so it gives you an upper hand. You can make a number of them in a very short period of time.
If you have.
If your prep is done. If your prep is not done, you will be struggling. So some seasoning, please. Next goes the onion.
Sorry for the disturbing.
Stop punch.
Please put some onions, cucumber.
So your basic burger has been built up. It's ready. It needs little bit of seasonings. So some salt and pepper onto it. I prefer putting a small dab of mayonnaise to it at this point, so that the burgers are juicy.
What do you do? Dab and then mayonnaise goes on.
मैं बातें मत करना यार. This is ready. Then goes the burgers are very well toasted and very well hot. Stop Ansh.
Now I'm just putting the patty and carbohydrate.
That's the veggie patty ready to go.
Easy to put.
Easy and convenient.
Burger's not even done and it still looks tasty. Just for me. For you guys, probably, I don't know. Sometimes people just don't like burgers. Sometimes. Not everybody, obviously.
Then goes the favorite part.
Cheese!
That's the cheese.
It's my favorite part. And my love.
Cut.
Put mozzarella cheese on the burgers. Patty, burger. It's on top of the patty. The boxes over there, he's probably gonna put them in the box. You guys can't see the box, but yeah. That's the last cheese. Very, very. Oh no, I don't like this very much. I mean, other people do. It's so great. It's so spicy. He's gonna put some mayo. Yes. And after that, I do the bun. Top part of the bun. How quick. Then he's gonna put it in a box. Because we kind of just keep it in the fridge like that. Top part of the bun, maybe squeeze. Just not a lot.
Bun. Now this goes into a packing, a very big box, 10 in each. So close.